Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Mind Growth Podcast. I'm Emma. David, do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I do. Reading has changed the way I think. It helps me learn new ideas and improve my English.
That's true. Books are like teachers. They share knowledge, experiences, and life lessons.
Exactly. Even reading for just 15 minutes a day can improve your vocabulary, focus, and confidence.
Many people say they don't have enough time to read.
I always tell them start small. Read one chapter or even a few pages every day. Consistency is more important than speed.
That's great advice. What's the biggest benefit of reading?
For me, it's learning from other people's experiences without making the same mistakes myself.
I love that. Every book opens a new door to knowledge.
And remember, readers are often great leaders because they never stop learning.
So, if you're listening right now, pick up a book today and start your reading journey.
Thank you for joining us. Goodbye.